you guys are doing well and staying safe. So as you guys can see from the title, we are going to talk about what I am packing in my hospital bag. So I'm going to do a two-part series on this because I want to show you guys what I am going to be taking and packing, and then I'm going to do a separate video showing you guys how I pack or what I actually pack and put in my suitcase, because right now I am 36 weeks, yes, so I will be having a baby at the end of this month, Lord's willing, if he comes on his due date or whenever he decides to come. But because time is going by fast, I want to go ahead and get things ready. So I've been buying a few things here and there, but I still feel like I need a few things. Since this is my third birth, I've learned what I don't need, what I need, and I just don't want to do the most, because I know how easy it is to want to do the most and have all of this and all of that. It's like, girl, you don't need that. You need to go to that hospital and get that baby out. That's the important part. So this time I just want to be realistic and just take what I feel is needed. You know, just after giving birth twice already, I've learned a lot, and I'm just trying to be as realistic as possible this time and not do the absolute most, because I can. That's just how I am. So I wanted to just show you guys some of the things that I plan to take and pack to my birth this time, and then I would do a part of me putting it in my suitcase. So are y'all ready? Y'all interested? Well, if that's the case, then let's hop into it. But first of all, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell twice, so that way you're notified every time I post a video. I'm gonna try to be as quick as possible with this. So I'm officially 36 weeks and 3 days, yes. So baby will be full term this Saturday, and you just never know when they gonna go. But you know what? Mommy's gonna be prepared. So that's why I wanna go ahead and get this video for you guys, just in case you guys want to know. And also, if you wanna share any tips or things that you take or that you've taken to the hospital, feel free to share them down below. When labor starts and everything, you know, you are going about your business, doing your regular thing throughout the day, and all of a sudden your contractions start. So you're going through labor. Of course, you're in early labor, and then things start to progress over time, and then you get to the hospital. So once you get to the hospital, of course, you got to fill out the paperwork and stuff, just in case you never had a baby before. This is kind of the process of, you know, going into labor and stuff. So once you get to the hospital, you fill out your paperwork, you get assigned to your room if you're lucky. For me, I've had both my babies in triage. So I've never had an actual delivery room, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Prayerfully, I'll have a delivery room this time. So once you get to your delivery room, of course, they're going to set you up, get you ready, you know, put your IVs in and stuff like that if you want it and all of that. So first thing you do is you put on your hospital gown. So nothing against the hospital gowns and stuff like that. However, I decided to buy my own because with Maddie, when I was delivering Maddie, I think I had on my regular clothes, because like I said, I was in a triage because all of the other delivery rooms were full, and I had my babies before other moms had their babies. So I had my babies in a triage room. So I didn't have, with Tristan, I think I had on the hospital gown, but with Maddie, I delivered in my regular clothes. So so this time I just said I wanted to be cute, and I just wanted us to, you know, kind of be in a mood and stuff like that. So I have here my labor and delivery gown, and I got this off of Amazon. Everything that I mentioned I will link down below. So I got this because you guys know I am obsessed with polka dots, and it's blue for my baby boy, and it is just so cute. So what I love about this dress is that, for one, it has buttons in the back, so it's easy to snap on. Of course, I'll just slide it on because ain't nobody thinking about buttons when you're in pain. So it has like these buttons back here, and then it has a tie area where, you know, you can tie it right here, and also it snaps down. So this is a 2-in-1 gown, and I love it for one, like I said, the buttons, the color, the details, the polka dots and everything. But I also love it because when it's time to nurse, I could just pop it down, whip the tit out, it's ready to be breastfed. So I love this. When I saw it on Amazon, I was like, ooh, I love it. So this is mine here. He will be put into his. Yes, yeah, I told y'all. I mean, I try not to do the most, but sometimes I can't help myself. So, and plus, you know, like I said, it's more than likely our last child. So I want to enjoy it. I got him a little matching outfit too. It's so cute. So it has the little feet out, and then you can fold the arms, because I did I did get some gloves too, because one thing I noticed with both my babies is that they, you know, of course when they come out, their nails are really long and they scratch themselves. And you know, I know with Maddie, she had a lot of scratch marks because of her nails, and I always said that I need to make sure that I have gloves for my babies. So luckily this comes with it, and it comes with a little hat. So I don't have time to order monograms for his outfit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my Cricut machine to like put his name on there, which I will announce at birth. I know a few of you guys are probably wondering what his name is, but we will announce it when he's born and stuff. So I just love it. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're gonna be twinning from the moment he enters his earth. Alright, so something else that I'm packing is my Bouncy Balls. So instead of getting a ball this time, I got a peanut, because I've heard great things about using a peanut. So if you guys don't know, I am striving for my 3rd natural birth. I know you're like, girl, how do you natural? Girl, I'm telling you, because for one, my mom, she encouraged me to try natural. My mom's mom was a midwife, so she delivered my sister from my mom, and I just always felt encouraged and inspired to do the same, to just do it the natural way and everything. So I'm going for number 3, praise the Lord. And so I got me a peanut. It's not blown up right now, but I'm gonna blow it up because I actually need to start using it now, because baby is starting to drop. I don't know if you guys can see. Baby is starting to drop a little bit, so I need to go ahead and start really utilizing this almost every day. But this is a peanut. So my midwife suggested that I bring this, and I'm going to. They do have balls and stuff from my understanding, but I want to have my own just in case. You know, like I said, he'll have on his little outfit, and then a go home outfit depending on how long we're going to be at the hospital and stuff. So I did find this little minimal outfit at H&M. It's really cute. Oh my gosh. The only thing is, it's hot here already. Summer is pretty much here for us. So I hope that it won't be too hot for him. But I just love the minimalist of this outfit. The buttons, and it comes with little pants and a hat. And then he'll have on his socks, because I love babies and baby socks. It's just so cute. And then I have my robe. This is not going home, obviously. I'm not going home in a robe. I'm gonna go home in my regular clothes. But I found this beautiful silk robe that, for one, I just want to wear around the house. But also, like, whenever he wears this, I want to wear that. So we're twinning. You know, I'm twinning. I know, I told y'all, I'm trying to stop being the most. But we're gonna enjoy this birth, because I know they have nursing robes, but I really, as long as I have a robe to just and breastfeed, I don't care. I'm gonna take my other one from Walmart too. I have a black one from Walmart. I'm just gonna take that too, and then have this, and then this will, more than likely this will be his going home outfit, but we shall see. So yeah, so gotta have a going home outfit for the little. A lot of people underestimate self-care after having a birth, because you know, you're in a moment with your baby. You're not worried about anything else. You're just worried about making sure the baby's vitals are good, making sure they pass their hearing test, you know, if they're getting circumcised. You know, you're worried about the baby. You're not really worried about yourself. But that's one thing I learned, is to make sure that I'm taking care of myself afterwards. Just after having Tristan, is to have diapers. Okay, so I've had these since last year after my miscarriage, because I was just bleeding so much that I needed to wear Depends. I'm not gonna lie. Or not, these aren't Depends, these are always discreet. But I was bleeding that much that even the regular pads I was using could not hold all the blood that I was flushing through for my miscarriage. So I finally got these and it actually helped, but I'm going to use these after I give birth. So they look like a little diaper, obviously. So got me this. And also I know Frida Mom, they do have a mommy pack. It's so cool, y'all. It's like $50, but like inside they have like everything you need and more for before, you know, after birth and stuff like that. They have this pad where you put ice, because I'm telling y'all, that ring of fire, when baby comes through and it spreads, it feels like fire, okay? Oh my God. Woo! Ah! I'm having flashbacks, oh my goodness. So to help cool my girl down after that ring of fire gets lit, I decided to just have these for the bleeding and stuff. The pads with for the ice inserts, which I really think is cool. I'm gonna link it down below just in case you wanna get it, but I'm gonna need it. This is the Perry bottle. So what it is, it helps you to clean down below, because they do give you a lot of the things that I have. They do give it to you at the hospital. They give you socks, they give you diapers, they give you pads, they give you what you need. But I just like to have my own, because like I said, just from learning, just from previous experiences, I just want to have my own. So this is one of those things. So you fill it up with water, squeeze, and you clean down below, because you don't want to like scrub and irritate it, because literally a baby, a whole human came out of you. So you need to give your girl some time to heal, okay? But so I decided to just get it just to keep myself clean and myself fresh, because depending, a lot of blood could come out, maybe not. But just to be on the safe side, see what it looks like. Excuse my nails, they're struggling. But yeah, it's just a bottle that you hold upside down and you squeeze and clean and get yourself all fresh. Having wipes is a necessity. Of course, I'll take showers and clean myself and stuff, but having wipes to just help wipe, clean, and freshen up myself. I've never used Honey Pot products before. I've always wanted to. Of course, it's Black owned, and I've heard great things about these products, but I just never used it. But this is my first product I'm going to use, and then of course, once my cycle comes back, I'll invest in the pads, because I've never tried them before. So I'm super excited, but this is something I'm taking. When it comes to the titties, when it comes to the breast, because I am planning to breastfeed for 2 years, once again, like I did with all my babies. So one thing that they do give you is the nipple cream, but I got my own because they give you like the small size, and I want to make sure that I have enough, because those nipples, oh my God, if you've never had a baby, oh my gosh, ooh, child. I can't even explain it. And the nipple cream of whatever brand that you use, it comes in handy. It's safe to use for the baby, because of course the baby's gonna be latching on and, you know, trying to get used to your boob and stuff like that, but it is safe. They probably won't taste it because they're trying to get that milk and all that. For my engorgement, because I typically get engorged like the first those first moments, because woo, it hurts, y'all. So I found this. So this is the therapy packs, and you pretty much you're supposed to freeze it, so you can use it cold to help reduce pain and swelling caused by engorgement, or you can use it hot to relieve plug ducts and mastitis, and you can use it hot to encourage milk flow while pumping, which is pretty good. So of course you gotta freeze it, or you can microwave it and you just put it on your boobs to help with the engorgement. So this time I remembered to get me some nursing pads, because I leak like nobody's business. It's crazy how much I leak, okay? So I decided to get these to have at the hospital, which I really don't care if I'm leaking at the hospital, but once I get home, I want to make sure that, you know, I have protection, because I don't want to be leaking through my clothes and stuff like that. So I do have my nipple pads, nursing pads that I'll be wearing pretty often, because I gotta make sure that your girl ain't leaking in public and stuff. So I probably won't have time to share everything, but I'm just gonna show them a few more things. So I got my own diapers. I know they give you diapers at the hospital, and we love using Pampers swaddlers. We've used Pampers since the day Maddie was born, so we've been diehard Pampers fans since birth. 8 years ago, so got my own. Got the newborns. Both of my babies were born small, so Maddie was 5'13", Tristan was 6'13", so I'm hoping that this one would be around that same range, but they were all tiny. So I start out with the newborns because preemie might be too tiny, but newborns fit perfectly. I'm trying something new, you guys, because I know y'all are like, girl, why you so extra? I know. But so this is a pacifier sanitizer, and you know, like, of course you got the clip like for the babies, but a lot of these clips nowadays, they have like little beads and circles. I don't know how I feel about that. No, it's just a personal thing, but I just cringe when I see like little balls hanging from their necks because I feel like it's a choking hazard. I don't know, that bothers me. When the baby gets the pacifier, which I do have, Soothies, I do want to try something new, but the Soothies have been a holy grail for all 2 of my babies so far, so got these. They spit out their pacifier, it drops on the floor and stuff like that. And now that we have a dog, like, I'm really like cautious and like kind of OCD when it comes to things dropping on the floor because our dog goes outside, she's walking, yeah, dog moms, y'all know. So, you know, I just want to make sure, like, if the pacifier does drop on the floor, that we're able to clean it, of course, and then sanitize it. So I found this at Target, and I think this is like so cool. I have to set it up, but you just put the pacifier in here, you turn it on, and it does its thing. And so when I saw that, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have that. Into your bag and all of that. So I have that, and I'm very excited to try that and use that. I have some gloves for the baby just because I've seen my babies scratch themselves because of their nails and everything. So I got some gloves for him too. Gotta take a shower and wash my face and brush my teeth and stuff. So I got my contact case here, got my contact case here. I got some mouthwash. All this stuff is just travel stuff. Like, this is just my travel size stuff that I take when I travel, but I had a lot left over. Bath wash, contact solution, face wash, and all of that good stuff. I've been using the bio oil for a hot minute now, and I am loving it. Yeah, I'll be here all day long showing you guys everything, but like I said, I'm going to do a pack with me video so you guys will see how I pack big guy stuff. He wants to pack his stuff in the suitcase too. Yes, we are using a suitcase just because it's easier to roll. And then we have a diaper bag for our baby, which is so cool, y'all. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm gonna have to do a what's in my diaper bag video for you guys, because the diaper bag that I got is so dope. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And this pregnancy has taught me to really do my research and to find what works, because I'm telling you, it's so easy to get this and get that and all of this and all that, and it's like, girl, you don't need that, because before you know it, the baby is going to be grown, they're gonna be walking, they're gonna be doing all this, and you don't need all that. Some moms can do all that. I ain't trying to do all that. I mean, my extraness can only go but so far. So, but anywho, so yes, I'm going to do a pack with me video coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions or things that I forgot or things that I need, please let me know down below, and also share a few things that you have taken to the hospital when you went to give birth. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.